Conservator's cloud storage has a very large collection of videos. In creating your own dataset, you may wish to search for videos and images both within your own project and elsewhere in Conservator's database. To search for videos across projects, make sure you have selected All Videos in the left sidebar. The grid display shows thumbnails of the first page of videos visible to you. This is the space we want to search. In this view, the hierarchy of projects and folders is ignored. What you see is all videos for which your account, or a group to which you belong, has read privileges, regardless of where the video is stored. By the way, to see the permissions granted by an individual video, click on the Share button while viewing the video. In our searching among videos, we will not find images, which are one-frame videos. If we wanted to do that, we would select All Images in the left sidebar. We could also search among datasets. Projects are different. Only a subset of the search commands are available among projects. We will type search commands in the search bar located at the top of the Conservator window. Here, we show a search for all videos containing a car. To see a description of search operators with examples, click on the question mark to the right of the search bar. As you can see, there are many properties that you can search on. Search terms are also described in more detail in Conservator's online help, and there is a convenient link in the pull-down help to the main Search Operators help page. Let's search for all videos having the tag road. Recall that a tag is one of the 4 top-level metadata properties of a video. The others are spectrum, location, and description. In Conservator, these properties are called details. Here's the result: all videos having the tag road. Notice that while you're typing a search command, Conservator assists you. Let's type the same search command but make a mistake. We'll say tags instead of tag. A red X appears at the right end of the search command window to indicate an error. Also, the word tags didn't turn blue because tags is not a valid property. Hovering over the red X reveals the error message. Conservator is expecting a string with no colon, a so-called free text search, described later in this tutorial. Correcting our mistake, let's start typing road. Here, Conservator shows us possible ways to complete the word, having typed an initial R. Search strings are case insensitive, except when searching on the unique ID property. Searching for road in lowercase is the same as searching for road in mixed case or uppercase. Properties, on the other hand, are case sensitive. Most are entirely lowercase. If you misspell a property, it remains white. If you spell it correctly and follow it with a colon, it turns blue. The has property identifies assets with at least one frame containing an annotation with the given label. Here we search for videos in which at least one frame contains a manually annotated helicopter. Has prediction is similar, but it refers to machine-generated predictions with the given label. Note the capital P in has prediction, it's required. When you search for the name, description, or location of an asset, you only need to type part of the string. For example, if you search for location MAR, you will find all videos whose location contains the string MAR, such as Santa Maria or Marina del Rey. You can use logical operators and, or, and not to combine filters. Logical operators must be capitalized. You can use parentheses to isolate subclauses in complex queries. Regarding that last search, there's a much easier way to search among videos you own. First, select My Videos in the left sidebar. This automatically enters the Owner clause. You can also qualify your search by using the pull-down menus below the search bar. For example, you could confine your search to videos with a mixed spectrum, uploaded within the last 31 days. This could be done with a textual query, but the pull-downs are usually more convenient. As with any query, you can click on any X in the query summary to remove a portion of the query. One of the pull-down options deserves special attention. Under the Tools menu, you'll find a way to search by classifier and confidence. A classifier is a neural network that makes predictions. That is, it identifies objects and labels them automatically. Each such prediction has a confidence level, and 90% is the typical level that would allow us to accept a prediction. Here's a search for all videos in which there are objects predicted with greater than 90% confidence by the YOLO 9000 classifier. There's a special kind of search called a free text search. In a free text search, several fields will be examined to see if they contain the search string. The fields are name or file name, description, location, tag, or ID. There's no property keyword preceding the string to be searched. Just type the string. You'll need to use quotes if you follow a free text search string with a logical connective. If you find yourself using a particular search frequently, you can save it. Here, we search for videos that contain a car, a bicycle, and a person, not necessarily on the same frame. Under the search bar's Tools pull-down, we can select Save Search. Later, under the same pull-down, we can select this search. Note that if new videos have been added that meet the search criteria, they will also be found, because it's the query that is saved, not the results.